airplane headed for the Democratic National Convention was Barack Obama, Joe Biden, and Nancy Pelosi. Barack Obama looked out the window and he said, "You know, I could throw a $100 bill out of this airplane and somebody below would be real happy." And Joe Biden said, "Well, I could throw 10 $10 bills out of this airplane and 10 people would be happy." And Nancy Pelosi said, "Well, I could throw 100 $1 bills off this airplane and 100 people would be happy." And then the pilot said, "I could throw the three of you off this plane and millions would be happy."
We hate asphalt, we like trees, and we love our rodeo.